So, Frost series. In a recent turn of events, we got a lot of snow. Not that I didn't think it could happen, but still surprised a little bit. But when the weather changes in a way that you did not predict, you just need to re-evaluate your position, and that's what I will do. I will cover them. I wish I had more of these because they are great. This is made for cars, to cover cars in winter, and I wanted to buy 3 more, but the way it is, I just didn't think I would need it this fast. So yeah, I have this one, and I'm just bringing stuff from the cellar, like old car mats and this kind of stuff, and try to cover them. This will be the ultimate test. This will really be the ultimate test. I mean, I've had a phone conversation with a friend of mine, and we discussed how this would be best. And ideally, they should be covered now, because if the snow melts and it keeps being wet at the roots, they will freeze. The snow itself is not the problem, but the problem is what happens if the weather stays like this for 2 weeks. Then you have a huge problem. Then everything could freeze. So I said, okay, I want to cover what I can, and want to cover especially the Lubivia. I am pretty positive they can take it too, but I don't want to risk it. So most of them are covered, and everything that isn't covered, like by the end of the day, is will have a hard time. But that is sometimes life as a breeder. The weather surprises you always, and in such a situation you need to make a decision on the spot. I saw this earlier when I walked through here, and I looked into the weather forecast, and the weather forecast was something like the whole week. It goes -2 Celsius, and that can already be like dangerous. If these were under a roof, not a problem. I would risk it anytime. But out in the open, there are a lot of smaller plants in between, that's a problem for them. So we're covering them. And it's already frozen. And I expect we will lose some small ones. It will happen. I need to cover seedlings and all, but it will still happen. But maybe not. We will see. I've seen snow-covered plants already very often, but this is a wide variety of plants, so I expect that at least some will not take it well. But we will cover what we can.